Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in both PS5 users. This is required so the game recognizes two drivers. Once done, connect and test both controllers, either wired or wireless, because input lag will ruin the experience. Then open Gran Turismo 7 and go straight to local multiplayer or arcade mode. These are the only modes that activate split screen. This step gets you into the correct lobby, so you can pick cars and tracks next. Don't waste time on menus you won't use. Next, pick the cars. Make sure you either match performance or set a power/weight limit so races stay competitive. You can also pick the track and time of day, since rain and dusk change grip and visibility. This is why track choice matters. Then adjust assists, damage, and race length to suit both players' skill levels. Once those settings are locked, review camera split orientation and HUD options because custom views help each driver see their speed, lines, and lap timers clearly. You're ready to start. Hit launch race and confirm both screens show unique driver views and that steering inputs respond instantly. Make small adjustments if one view is occluded, change camera or HUD placement, and save the room or settings as a preset so you don't repeat this setup. If split screen doesn't appear, first verify both PS5 users are signed in, then repair the controller. And finally, ensure you're in local multiplayer or arcade mode. Those checks fix most issues quickly, so you can get back to racing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.